You see how preparing helps. I'm waking up here a little bit more, and it's so good to open the fridge and get the celery out of it, and it's ready. It's cut. Just basically put it in my blender, the usual, as you know. Get it done and blend it. And let me get it done again. Blend it, strain it, drink it, save some for my wife, and keep going. So that's how we go. If I did not prepare last night, and I shot a video for that, about that, I don't think I will even be encouraged and excited like this. I am exhausted. I don't want to go train. This little thing helps me a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go for it and keep going. Bye, bye, bye. Au revoir. Here we go. My celery juice. It's ready. Like I said before in some videos, it takes effort and time and preparation to get the juice out. You know, some of you know the process of the celery juice and how do you prepare the celery the night before, buy the right celery, take it home, put it in the fridge. If I don't cut it the night before, I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and cut it, and it's not fun to cut the celery, prepare it at 5 a.m. So last night I prepared, I get my celery cut, cleaned and cut ahead of time. So when I wake up, I can just put it in the blender, and after that use the cheesecloth to strain it and get the juice. So it means it takes effort and time and money and whatever to get this done. It's not too expensive money wise, but the health benefit is good. So after you put the effort, you get the results. So this is to get the juice out of yourself. You have to put the effort, you have to prepare, you have to, as John Maxwell says, it's better to be preparing than repairing. If I don't prepare the night before to be ready for this morning, I'll be repairing what happened yesterday. Today means trying to wake up, trying to start, trying to do this, try, but I don't get it done. So there's a big difference between trying and getting it done. So don't rely on trying, rely more on preparing and believing, and sometimes just taking action. Start. You know, some people keep preparing forever. I mean, preparing is good, as I said, but there's a difference between preparing and not starting. It's like, I'm gonna start tomorrow, I'm gonna start tomorrow, I'm gonna start. I will wait until I get the perfect thing, the perfect music, the perfect juice, the perfect timing, the perfect this. I mean, I don't know, the perfect juice is celery juice. So it's not about perfection. Is good enough to start, good enough to move on. So anyway, just a reminder: if you want the juice, you have to make the effort and put the right effort as well. All right, take care. I'll talk to you soon. I know my minutes are over, but this is my first day back to training. I've done a lot of trainings before, but I know how to do it. And my neighbor's gonna go be with me here in 30 minutes. We start at 6 a.m. training, and I don't think he will do the six days a week with me, but he will do maybe 3 days a week with me because of his obligations and things that he needs to do. So it's up to him. So, all right, take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Get the juice.